Welcome all in class 13 on PCB design course. The very first step in PCB designing is to draw the schematic diagram of circuit using some CAD tool. That is, in order to design a PCB, first we need to download and then install the required CAD tool. So in this course on PCB design, we are using Autodesk Eagle in order to design a PCB. So in this class, we will discuss about the process of downloading and installing the Autodesk Eagle for designing the PCB. We will also discuss about the control panel of Autodesk Eagle. So in order to download Autodesk Eagle, just go to Google and type Autodesk Eagle. Then using the link download Eagle, free download Autodesk, navigate on Autodesk website. Now by choosing the appropriate operating system, start downloading the exe file for Autodesk Eagle. The free version of Autodesk Eagle has limited capabilities in terms of the board area, in terms of signal layers, and in terms of schematic sheets. Once the exe file of Autodesk Eagle is downloaded, run the exe file as administrator. After accepting the license agreement, the Autodesk Eagle will start installing on the device. So once Autodesk Eagle is installed, the control panel of the Autodesk Eagle will appear on the screen. The Autodesk Eagle control panel is as shown in the slide, and it consists of various folders like libraries, design blocks, design rules, user language programs, scripts, CAM jobs, spice model, and projects. So first is about the library folder. In order to design any PCB using CAD tool, we need to use various components or various devices like resistors, capacitors, diodes, various ICs, and so on. In Autodesk Eagle, all of the devices that we place in our design are stored in libraries. Each part of the library contains a device, the symbol of the device, which provides a visual representation of device for use on a schematic diagram, and the package. Package indicates the physical representation of device for use in PCB layout. Package also indicates that whether the device we are using is a SMD device or it is a through hole device. Some libraries are installed automatically at the time of installing the Autodesk Eagle. However, we can also install external libraries in Autodesk by using an esteemed procedure for that. Next folder is of design blocks. Some circuits are required by PCB repeatedly, like it may be the circuit of a power supply. So the design block folder contains user design block files. User design blocks are like, as we have already discussed, that user design blocks may be a circuit for a power supply, or it may be a vibrator circuit, and so on. So this folder basically contains user design block files which can be accessed from the design blocks, and which need not to be designed every time. Next folder is of design rules. Every manufacturer has some capabilities in terms of fabricating the PCB. The capabilities includes the width of the trace, the distance between the traces, the distance between trace and wire, the wire diameters, and so on. As per the requirement of manufacturer, all parameters relevant to the board are specified by design rules. Design rule check is the relevant command in Eagle to control the design rules. Next folder is of user language programs. This feature allows user to write C-like programs that can manipulate every aspect of their design. User language programming gives the user the power to implement on specialized functions. One of the application of user language programs includes to automatically create library parts. Next folder is of scripts. Eagle scripts are text files with Eagle commands. We use them for automating tasks such as changing the width of all the traces on a board, changing board size, or drawing a specific pattern. That is, one of the example is that if we want to change the width of every trace, we need not to do it for individual trace. By using scripts, we can use a single command to change the width of all the traces on a board. The next folder is of CAM job. CAM basically stands for computer aided manufacturing, and CAM requires specialized manufacturing files for the production of PCB. The CAM processor button in Autodesk Eagle is used to export manufacturing files from Eagle. Generally, we use the Gerber files for the purpose of CAM jobs. Next folder is of projects. The project folders in control panel of Eagle is used to create a project and start drawing the schematic diagram. The project folder will house both our schematic and board design files. So this was all that we want to discuss in this class. Thank you.